Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm the technician for Albany Sewing Machine Center and sewing back in Poughkeepsie. I'm going to show you the 4 biggest mistakes I see setting up a sewing machine. You have different size spool caps with your machines. You don't want to use the big cap with your skinny thread. As you wind down, it's going to start to create drag here and catch. This is a better match. Every now and then you'll get a color that just spools off too fast. Use a thread net. This is just a sock. It goes over your spool and it's going to force the thread to come off slowly. I always recommend threading your machine like you're flossing your teeth so your thread is nice and taut. But the key is to get the thread under this. This is going to give you a little bit of tension and the up and down motion so you get a nice even wind when you're winding your bobbin. So this is a take-up lever. This guy bobs up and down. It's almost always straight up above your needle. I recommend holding the thread like you're flossing. That way, as you go, you'll hear the thread click into place. With my take-up and needle at the highest point, I'm gonna hold my thread taut, I'm gonna come around, and there was a little click right there. Now I'll head straight down to my needle. When our bobbin case is properly threaded, then the thread is in the tension. Many a time, I see this. There's no tension there. This will sew, but it ain't gonna look good. And there's usually a little diagram to kind of show you which direction to go to make sure you're in that hook. If you're ever having issues with your sewing machine, check all those 4 steps first. And most of the time, that's gonna correct your issue. Thank you.